How to enable or disable save camera videos to external storage USB device on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4-dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on here showing you camera assistant. Click on camera assistant. After you click on camera assistant, scroll down to end and you will see save video to external storage is here. If you want to enable save video to external storage, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, save videos to external storage is enabled. If you want to disable save videos to external storage, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, save videos to external storage is disabled. You will enable or disable save videos to external storage from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable save videos camera to external storage on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.